మనొక గెస్ట్ వచ్చి ఉన్నారు. I welcome Justice Rajani Garu. Please come to the dais. रजनी जी हमारे रिटायर्ड जज हैं, जो कि हाई कोर्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना के जज रह चुके हैं. एंड इसी तरह हमारे विनय कुमार सर यहीं आमंत्रित हैं, जो कि हमें ये हॉल प्रोवाइड किया है. उनका कोऑपरेशन है. मैं विनय कुमार सर को अभिनंदन करता हूँ. एक बार स्टेज पर भी आने के लिए बुलाता हूँ. ऐसे ही हमारे बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े लोग, हमारे गेस्ट हमारे सामने मौजूद हैं. हमारे CLN गांधी सर हैं, रामुल सर हैं, ज्योत्सना मैडम हैं और हमारे लक्ष्मी नागेश्वर मैडम हैं. उन सभी को भी मैं यहाँ से अभिनंदन करता हूँ. आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया भी देता हूँ. अभी नेक्स्ट हम एक सावनीर पब्लिश किए हैं, वो उसका एक इनाग्रेशन होगा अभी. वो सावनीर एडिटर्स जो हैं वो इतनी मेहनत से एक सारे भारत पूरे से उसमें आर्टिकल्स को इकट्ठित करके कई विक्टिम्स को रिकॉर्ड करके कई सक्सेस स्टोरीज को उसमें रिकॉर्ड करके एक अच्छा सा एक सावनीर अभी इनाग्रेशन होगा. तो इससे पहले मैं इस सावनीर पर जो काम किए हैं, जिसके जो एडिटर्स हैं डॉक्टर बेनज़ीर तांबोली और ज्योति यदुल्ला, ये दोनों को मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं. वो इस सावनीर के बारे में ब्रीफ में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. इसके बाद हम सावनीर को इनाग्रेशन करेंगे.
Good afternoon all. Considering time constraint, I'm just going to read out a few things for you all. I'm honored to be here on behalf of editorial team Asif Bhai and Jyoti Madam. It gives me immense joy to introduce the souvenir prepared for CHAN 2025, organized in collaboration with Kulanirmulan Sangham. This 5th conference of CHAN at Hyderabad and its accompanying publication come together around the theme Interfaith and Intercaste Marriages, Strengthening Choices, Equality and Social Justice. This is not just a collection of articles, but a reflection of courage, compassion, and the evolving meanings of love and equality in today's India. It brings together diverse voices, writers, scholars, activists, individuals whose experience reveal a society in transition, moving beyond inherited boundaries towards freedom and inclusion. Each contribution represents not just words on paper, but lived experience, questions, and dreams that challenge us to rethink what justice and equality mean in our everyday lives. The articles in these volumes are diverse and thought-provoking. Some examine how interfaith and intercaste marriages challenge rigid norms to rebuild inclusive communities, while others analyze the legal frameworks and court judgments shaping such unions in India. Personal narratives of love and resilience remind us that social change often begins with individual choices. Equally insightful are reflections on queer relationships that expand the vision of equality beyond all boundaries. Together, these pieces weaves a tapestry of stories and reflections that celebrate human dignity and the right to love freely, reminding us that personal freedom is at the heart of social progress. The journey of this souvenir has been one of the learning and collaboration, bringing together varied perspectives that invite readers to reflect, connect, and continue the dialogue. We also owe much to our technical and design team, whose creativity and commitment have turned our ideas into a visually engaging and aesthetically rich publication as well. We sincerely appreciate our advertisers, supporters, and well-wishers whose backing helped us bring this souvenir a reality. A special word of gratitude goes to the organizing committee of CHAN and the Kulanirmulan Sangham. Their commitment and cooperation made this effort truly meaningful. The souvenir is, in essence, a document of hope. It captures a moment in our ongoing journey towards a more inclusive India. As you turn the pages of this souvenir, I invite you to listen to the voices within, voice of young people dreaming of freer world, of couples who stood firm in love despite opposition, of scholars who challenge us to think deeper about justice and equality. As this souvenir comes to us, we are entrusted with the task of spreading its spirit and building greater support for our collective vision of a society. Let this not just be the publication we admire today, but a call we carry forward to act, to question, and to continue building bridges where walls once stood. Thank you.
Now I request Justice Rajini Madam and Justice Radharani Madam will inaugurate the souvenir. एक स्मॉल अनाउंसमेंट है, वाटर अरेंज करे हुए, कोई को पानी चाहिए तो पीछे वाटर अरेंजमेंट है, वो पी सकते हैं पानी लेफ्ट साइड.